Sometime you get an error message when you want to open an Excel file. This file is in use. We can make an Excel file shared for multiple users. Go to File, Options, and choose Customize ribbon. At the top, switch from Popular Commands to All Commands. Then scroll down to Share Workbook, Legacy. On the right, you can add it to a menu. I use the View Menu option and add a new group called Sharing. Then click Share Workbook on the left and click the Add button to add it to the menu on the right. After adding the sharing functionality, we can see it's now available in our View tab. The ribbon now displays our sharing options, making it easy to collaborate. Click Share Workbook to open the collaboration dialog, where we can configure multi-user access settings. The workbook is now successfully shared, as indicated by the Shared label in the title bar. Your Excel workbook is ready for team collaboration, allowing multiple users to edit simultaneously and track changes.